Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Madden NFL 27 game not working, not opening, crashing issue or crashes at a startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Madden NFL 27 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm and then launch the game and check. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. So you can use Ethernet cable if possible to access internet on PS5 console and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can also switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check, or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. And then you can go ahead launch the Madden NFL 27 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Delete game data and cache. Now please take a note over here. You must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Choose Madden NFL 27, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 8. Change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then relaunch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 then hit on OK and then again relaunch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall and then reinstall the game and then check. If that doesn't work and if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Madden NFL 27 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Madden NFL 27 game not working, not opening, crashing or crashes at a startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.